If you're not familiar with foam rolling, it is a need in your life. This is great for breaking up muscle tissue, for massaging the body, and again, just increasing circulation in the muscles, improving posture, everything. So I highly recommend you get a foam roller if you don't have one. They're super cheap. It's just a nice little simple foam. And let me show you how I use it. So you're gonna be on the foam roller. I usually do my mid to upper back, and I just roll back and forth. It's really that simple, but it feels so good. And if any of you guys are just like cheap and don't want to pay for a massage all the time, this is the next best thing. So you do it for a couple seconds, just roll the lats, roll the erector spinae, roll all the rhomboids and traps. You know, I hit into the delts, you know, just everything that I just want to increase the circulation, massage it a little bit. Oh yeah, this feels great. And then I like to finish my foam rolling with a little chest stretching. So this is going to be great for opening up the thoracic cage. As you can see, I am stretching all of this out. And again, this is because I sit a lot. I'm certain you sit a lot, so you need to probably do this one too. So let me just show you again. What you want to do is have your hips up. You want your shoulder blades on the roller, hands behind your head. Let your head touch the ground, and then slowly lower your hips to touch the ground too. Now, a lot of people cannot do that, and that's okay. If it's too tough for you, put a pillow, a couch pillow, throw pillow, whatever, under your head and do the same thing. Hold it for about 30 seconds, and you'll feel yourself opening up and feeling taller. It's a great way, again, just to make sure that you guys have good alignment, good posture. Over everything else, it's not just about being strong and having muscle. You need to have good posture, good alignment, good mobility, all of that good stuff. So anyway, that's my foam rolling. Let's get into the workout.